Hi, I'm Candace. I'm a lover of mountains and meditation and have decided to minimize my life, buy a Sprinter van and convert it into a tiny home on wheels. Having a background in interior design, I'm going to give you my tips, views and experience on design and how to project manage your conversion whilst being a total novice at doing the actual build. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to mount heavy duty 500-pound drawer slides, of which I have 3 in my van. One here for the shower pan, which is what I'm going to mount today. I have one for a big 40-inch extendable drawer at the back of the van, and then I have one across here for my loo, for my toilet. This is my composting toilet. So these are really heavy. They're not just heavy duty, they're heavy in weight. And so I kept going, oh, normal screws aren't going to work. So I did a bunch of research and I found out the way to mount them. And they are with, drum roll, these things that are known as, believe it or not, sex nuts. So these are called sex nuts, I think because they have a male and a female component, and they are a nut, not a screw. And you can see that they're really solid. Basically it's going to, I'm going to drill a hole into which this is going to pop in on one side and this is going to pop in on the other, and the drawer slide will be in between, and it's going to tighten it down and lock it really solidly. So thank you. I can't remember where I found that. It was one of the building sites I visited. So these are great little hex drivers. And so what I need today in terms of tools is obviously the sex nuts, my drawer slides. I need to work out what gauge of drill I'm going to need. I'm going to need to drill the holes. And what else do I need? That's pretty much it. So let me show you how to do it. So the very first thing I need to do before I do anything else is I need to work out where the drawer slides are going to sit. So these are going to sit proud of this because my cabinet sits on top of this, and there will be a faceplate over here with a cutout to access here. But I don't want it sticking out too far either because it's going to look unsightly, and that will be a 3/4 inch faceplate. So I can take it out 3/4 of an inch. And the second thing I'm doing, so I'll do it on both sides. The second thing I'm doing with this installation is I'm actually resting these slides on the floor. They're really heavy and I need as much height here as I can get anyway. Okay, so what's cool about that, suddenly I have a bunch of these securing holes exposed, which is what I want to start with. I'll start with them and I'll show you how to access the others. And these I'm going to drill out first and check that my nuts fit. But before I do anything else, I need to see if these fit. Oh, they do not. It's definitely going to be a messier job than I thought. It looks like I'm going to have to go and drill the drawer slides out first, and yep, that's what I'm going to do now. So this is really cool. You can see when you click on this thing, this allows it to move in a way it wouldn't usually, but what it does is it reveals these 2 holes here, and where's the other one? There. And up there that I'm going to be able to drill out. Whoa, up here. Yep. Very cool. There we go, right there. They need to be drilled out too before we proceed. not want these metal filings getting into your tracks. So move it on. And here's where I do exactly the same thing as when I was drilling out the holes to fit the sex nuts. I use this little mechanism, press it down, and then it reveals these two holes that I'm now working with. Okay, so I'm going to drill those out now. I'm not just a crazy cleaner, I'm doing this to make sure that no particulate from the wood or the metal gets into the ball bearing system for the slide, because that would defeat the whole purpose. So that makes it ready for the next step. Let's close it up. Box in position. Okay, next side. So that is the drawer slides mounted, and I've just popped in temporarily the shower box just to check that everything fits, and it's absolutely perfect. So that's going to be super easy to mount moving forward. There we have it. It's how to mount 500-pound drawer slides in a way that they will stay for good.